Good morning.
Morning.
What have you got there?
Squishy.
A squishy?
Yeah.
Hey Bonnie.
Yeah?
Where should we go today? I'm going to shine a light on my face so that the facial recognition thing works better.
I thought that was a photo, then I embarrassed myself by going.
And may stop momentarily.
Thought you were just in a good mood.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. Backward and may stop momentarily.
Can't listen to this anymore, just turn it off.
For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly.
We're having to get off, but we're not even getting off in an interesting part, are we?
No.
We just got on over there.
Attention travelers, we're experimenting technical difficulties. Please remain seated inside your time machine until a cast member will arrive to assist you.
We've been given fast passes after being evacuated, eventually. Obviously can't use that on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind or Frozen. I'm not bothered about Frozen, so we'll see. Maybe we'll come back to this. I am actually a bit relieved because the guy in front of us had 2 toddlers and he was not looking after those kids. They were climbing all over the time machine and they would have fallen out of that thing, I guaranteed. So at least I don't have to be stressed out having to look at that all the way around the ride. Bonnie, which watering can would you get at the end of the scavenger hunt?
Orange bird.
Orange bird. You got Spike Bee, Mickey Mouse, but you want orange bird.
Yes.
What about the caterpillar?
No way.
No one wants the caterpillar. Look at that. This is quite cute. Spike the Bee bag. Although it says lug, which is a little thing that they've made up so they can charge loads of money. Although it's on offer for 40 at the moment, not the usual 65. But I've just realised something. So it looks like we can't do it on here either, so that fast pass is pretty useless. Let's see if I can fit this in my gob. Oh no. This is a two-handed operation, I'll be back. Found a third hand. Right, here we go. Yeah, it's all solid stuff. It's all solid stuff. Look at the detail on this. Ay caramba.
So, earlier we were just waiting for the brooks to come and catch up. And I heard a little kid say, "Ooh, what kind of a ride is this?" And the mum just went, "It's not a ride, it's a restroom."
Well, I heard a kid saying, "What's the best ride?" And the granddad said, "The ride home." This beef is beautiful. beautifully rare. Melts in the mouth. Absolutely melts in the mouth. Beautiful piece of meat.
Here in your future, it'll be more fun than ever to enjoy nature in the great outdoors. With hot chocolate, technology speeds recovery time.
Room tour. Room tour. Room tour. Room tour. We are room 2420 at Alligator Bayou. So let's have a little look at what we got. We're just packing, so excuse the mess. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Right, 2 beds. Bonnie takes this bed, I take this bed. Now, the most important thing for us when it comes to a room is plugs next to where we sleep. I did offer to swap, but Lucy stuck to her side and she's only got these plugs here, which are quite difficult to access her phone from. Bonnie and I have used these. The USB plugs do not work. They should do, but they don't. We've tried numerous USB cables, they don't work. So we've got these 2. We've had to unplug Hey Disney, this thing. But even then, because the UK plugs are quite wide, we've only been able to get one in there. So the other thing is normally plugged up over here under the TV. Bonnie, do you want to show us the bed? We didn't use this, but that's the fold down bed. Yeah, do you want to demonstrate what happens on a bed? There. Well done. I haven't even looked in here. I guess this is the fridge. Have we used the fridge at all?
I put my after sun in the fridge. It's nice when it comes out cold.
Nice. Ice bucket. Is that an ice bucket?
Yes.
I used one of these to put my dirty pants in, one of these bags. Coffee and things we don't use. Now, the worst thing about this room is this little rod here. Because every time we walk in here, bops us on the head. So make sure that's out of the way. Here's the bathroom, twin sinks. Lucy had an issue with the distance between here and the sink, which get covered in drips. It's not an issue for me because I don't drip. Did you know this about me?
You're not a dripper.
I'm not a dripper. Toilet and shower and a tiny bath. And that's about it really. We didn't have any shampoo when we first arrived, so they've had to drop some off. We didn't tip in that case, and we probably should have done, but that's because they were bringing us something that we were missing. So I don't know how tipping. Yeah, that's it really. So that's what you get. I will say actually, when you sit on this toilet, that shower curtain loves you. So you just have to pop it in the bath and do your business. Storage room, I would say, was mostly under the beds. My suitcase just went under there and I just pull it out like a big drawer and I never have to unpack. Did you find it was a comfy bed?
Definitely.
Definitely. Yeah, I slept alright. We had the fan on sometimes. Yeah, it's nice. I will say though, close proximity to that pool. We got to bed early to get up early. So we're in bed at 10 here and kids are still using it and running around screaming. So something to bear in mind. But we managed to sleep in spite of that, didn't we?
I didn't hear them.
Yeah,
I'm very tolerant of stuff like
I
that.
hear things like that. I hear them. An ironing board is in here. Coat hangers and a safe. And a hairdryer is under there next to the washboard. Oh, and that's where we keep the brown bauble. We use the TV mostly for watching Phineas and Ferb because it's ace. If you leave it on the welcome menu, there are 2 songs that loop and you will get sick of them. So whack it on mute. Clear! 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 Clear. 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 All we forgot was a pink hair bubble. Not bad, guys. Not bad. America, spread your golden wings.
A dream is a wish your heart makes while you're fast asleep.
Tell the people why we're doing the steamboats.
Because we've never done it before. We've never done it before. Bonnie did it with Grandma and Grandad. And the filling in the rivers of America.
It goes mottled, mottled, very mottled, quite mottled, plain. I was just going like this on this map and a cast member rushed over and said, "Hey, where are you trying to get to today?" And I said, "Nowhere, I'm just looking at the texture of this water." Lucy thinks this is a vase. It's a tiki cup. It's cup shaped, cup height. Drink out of there. You couldn't get many flowers in there.
Yep.
Let's go find out what it is.
No, I think it's a vase.
Ow, ow, ow.
We can use it as a vase, but it's a cup.
Okay.
It was a mug.
That was weird.
So earlier we went on Pirates of the Caribbean, but the minute we set off, the kid behind us started going, "I don't want to go on Pirates!"
He is saying scream.
Yeah, and it was too late then, so we had to put up with that the whole way. And the parents were trying to calm the kid down by constantly going, "Hey, look, there's a crabby! Hey, there's a goat!
Look at the birdie.
Look at the birdie!" And to be honest, it was a bit of an endurance test. So we got a chat open on the app and told them in a very nice way about what had happened, and they let us have a lightning ticket to come back and ride it again. So that's what we're doing now.
So here's the chat I had with a cast member, found on the My Disney Experience app under Help and Feedback, and then under Chat with Us. My tips to get the best result you want would be firstly to not abuse it by spamming them for free rides several times a day, but also be very polite, be humble, and even a little bit playful. Make their day, and they might just make yours.
Have you ever heard a steel drum version of Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy? You have now. We've rented a patio out, and our attendant brought our food order, but also a box of condiments, and she appears to have brought all the condiments. Look at that. How did you like the patio life?
Great.
A little taste of luxury.
Great.
A rare taste.
Great.
It's a good solid day in the water park, that.
I loved that. I love the rides. The rides are amazing.
I need to remind myself that I do actually like the water parks. I always think I don't, but then I always have a really nice time. Oh, here's Mummy. What are you doing here?
I'm going bye-bye cup.
Bye-bye Blizzard Beach refillable cup. We've kept one.
We'll keep it 2 because Bonnie wants to keep hers as well.
Right.
And there's only so much room in the suitcase.
Should you put it in recycling?
I'm not sure this plastic is recyclable.
Well, let them figure that out.
Okay. Bye-bye cup.
Bye-bye cup. This light looks like some kind of droid.
And you look like some kind of idiot.
What are you drinking there, Sport?
It's lava flow. It's basically a pina colada that I've been having all week at Disney Resorts by a different name.
The glasses do cost extra. It's only a couple of dollars or something though, but I don't want to bring a pint glass back in my suitcase. I'm really happy.
To save your hip, isn't it? Because you go like that.
Yeah, you're sticky.
I'm really happy.
About what?
Like real. What the heck is that?
Mine.
I've drawn a dinosaur on the receipt just to make up for the fact that I've paid the suggested gratuity and nothing extra.
You know, there's a family there bathing next to the sign that literally states that the pool is closed. I mean, you couldn't write it. Absolute riffraff.